Great Falls College's welding trailer allows the college's welding instructors to get around the state and create bonds. Earlier this summer, welding instructor Todd Reeser took the trailer down to Deer Lodge, home of the Wardens, for the Montana Association of Agriculture Educators Association meeting. Reeser was able to share his passion and knowledge for welding with the high school teachers at the annual conference.
Here with the Montana Association of Agricultural Educators. This is our summer update conference where we come together to work on curriculum and learn new tools, new tricks that we can incorporate into our classroom. We've focused a lot on technology. This was a good opportunity to hear from somebody who's a lot more seasoned than myself and to pick up some tips and tricks.
About like that, just so the tungsten's not down in the, you know what I mean? And then the motion is like this. So when I go up, I'm moving. When I'm going down, I'm moving.
I still learned things today. It was nice learning from somebody that has a lot of experience in industry. There were some tricks and tips that he showed us that I didn't know. So even though I kind of had a base, it was still really helpful to do this today. Even though I've taught for 12 years, every conference I still learn quite a bit. And in Montana, a lot of us teach metal and or woodworking. And so being current on different methods of welding and being able to make sure that our students are getting prepared for industry is really, really helpful. Agriculture is vast and ever-changing. It's unlike some school subjects that kind of stay the same. Agriculture changes constantly. And so that's why we have these trainings, not only to try to catch up to the breadth and depth of agriculture, but also to keep up with technology as it continues to evolve.